Finding winning Amazon products doesn't have to take hours. I do it in minutes with tools like this. And here's what it looks like. We've got Jungle Scout right here. It's a great tool. And you're going to go to Jungle Scout Catalyst. Once you're here, they have a product database that makes it extremely easy to find products to sell. Now we've got select all. You can do appliances, automotive, right? You just want to get this creative juices flowing and then create a list of products that you do want to sell. And I always recommend pet supplies just to see, just because pet supplies, there's not many requirements to sell it compared to supplements or baby products. Since those are for humans, you need all these certifications. For pets, there's not as many certifications to sell. So we can do net revenue, $10,000 a month, maximum 50 reviews, so that's low competition. Let's do high demand, selling at least, well, we'll just do at least 100 units a month, right? So that way we're not doing that. And then we're just going to do that. What we're going to do is also include the word horse, because I know that there's tons of products for cats. There's tons of products for dogs already, but I know horses is also a big market and people are willing to spend a lot of money for horses, probably a low competitor market. And we've got this right now for the summer. We've got this horse fly sheet. Oh my gosh, it's making a ton of money. So a lot of horse stuff, professional horse clippers, another sheet, a herding ball. So we're going to look at that real quick. And I think we already found 2 potential products, maybe 3. Now here's the first one. Oh my gosh. This one has bad reviews, but it says it was making a significant amount of money. We're going to probably just look at this just to see horse fly sheet. I believe it was making money. Let's double check. Okay, so here's a product right here out of the gate that has such a high demand. So Jungle Scout's saying it's making $33,000 a month. Helium 10 saying it's making $12,000 a month. But it's literally a herding ball. And it's got terrible reviews. Super high demand. So herding ball for dogs and horses. We've got the negative reviews here to see why it's so bad. So it's not durable. It's not durable at all. But people are really buying this. They want a herding ball. And it seems like this is in huge demand. So we can look at products like that. We can just look at it, right? And we can just have some ideas here and write it down. And we've got their herding ball. And again, this is just to find ideas. Now, this is horse fly boots. So I believe that flies maybe are biting the horses. So again, this one's making $19,000. Jungle Scout saying $25,000. Again, the reviews aren't the best, but they're making so much money with such a low amount of reviews, which just shows me that there's a huge demand for these types of products. So again, this is fly boots, horse fly boots. I've never heard of those. There we go. We've got that one. And then we can go back to Catalyst and then just kind of, again, get some ideas. So blacksmith, we've got different items for horses. We've got 5 pages of products, but this was a fast way to find it. Okay, so this one's in stock. And again, it's an insect protectant. They probably, again, a lot of bad reviews, $13,000 a month in sales, which is completely insane. And they're selling this for so much money. So again, we can look at the negative reviews and see why is this doing so bad. Again, it's durability. People are willing to pay top dollar for these types of products. So if you can make a product that's really good for horses, already found a niche, right? So you can write those down, and there's also other niches. So if we were going into, I'm just going to do some of the ones that I know, sports and outdoors. So we're going to click on sports and outdoors, go with golf, see if we can find anything here. And again, we can find other golf items if you're into golf that you could potentially sell. A golf car cover. This one's making almost $200,000 a month. Some of these are crazy. Lost golf balls? No way. This is just insane. This is like a whole business model right here. A hitting mat. So let's look at these really, really quick. Okay, this one has 7,000 reviews. It looks like the reviews weren't filtered properly. I'm going to skip this one. Okay, so this one has only 22 reviews. and they're making $11,000 a month. It's just insane. It's just lost golf balls. So that's a whole business model. Imagine selling lost golf balls. It's just so funny. Why are the reviews so bad? They're super low quality. They shed and peel, better off picking up used balls on the golf course. Not good quality. I mean, they're used golf balls. So it's very, very funny how much money they can make off of used golf balls. That's another one. This one only has one review. Not a huge amount of money right now. They're saying they're making a lot more. So again, doing some research, but finding items like the used golf ball, the horse items, is a very good way. Now, you can also put them into a little research checklist once you find some that you want to look into more. And you want to see how many competitors do they have. What's their profit margin? Look on Alibaba. Look at some manufacturers. Try to determine their profit margin. Is there a barrier to entry? I already said for pet products, there's a really low barrier to entry, but you can look into this more. If there is a barrier to entry, can you get around it? Can you get the certifications? Is it a seasonal product? Horses probably get bit a lot more by flies in the summer, not the winter. Same with golf. Golf has a golf season. Is it a long-term product? Does it have a patent? Is it niche? Horse products are as niche as it gets. Do you think China can come in and compete easily? They may, depending on the quality of your product. So it looks like China is launching things for horses, but the quality is subpar. And I don't know how many horses they have in China. So they may not be actually testing it fully on a horse. You should be testing it. You should actually have a horse if possible, or be able to go to somebody that has a horse to test the product before you launch it. Are all the competitors making at least $5,000 a month or more, which shows the demand? And then you can give a rating. After this, you can kind of narrow it down to launch your product, and Jungle Scout makes it super fast because I practically guarantee you wouldn't figure out, hey, let's sell horse products unless you were doing some research through Jungle Scout's tool. Also, if you already sell a product on Amazon, you can just go to our website, go to the link, you can get a free listing audit. We'll audit your listing and literally tell you your top competitors, what you can improve, like your first image compared to yours and your second image compared to your competitors, and go from there. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, finding a product to launch, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to be constantly finding new products for you, launching new products, doing the design for your current products, running your ads, handling your customer service, and most importantly, growing your sales. It's about helping you work on your business, not in it every day. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.